Hi, I'm Matt. I'm an SEO here at Conductor. Today, let's talk about how to identify content opportunities and gaps. Data plays a major part in decision-making for optimizations and net new content on a site. For optimizations of existing content, site-side analytics and Google Search Console data will give you a good idea of where you could be doing better. There are plenty of strategies for finding potential content opportunities in your existing content, but one of the most effective is to look at striking distance keywords. Striking distance keywords are keywords that rank on page 2 or anything higher than 10 in rank. They are the keywords where you are most close to a ranking with a statistically significant chance of driving traffic. Filter your keyword ranking data to look only at striking distance keywords. Prioritize these keywords by MSV and relevance to your target audience. Once you have done all that, you will likely have an actionable list of keywords that you can create an optimization strategy around for their corresponding pages. When you're trying to look at competitive content gaps, you'll need something like an SEO platform to help you analyze what keywords your competitors are targeting that you aren't. These tools will allow you to compare either a group of tracked keywords or a database of historic keyword ranking data to find where your competitors rank well and you don't. Here, your biggest opportunities are often for net new content. Look at keywords that your competitors are ranking between 1 and 5, but you do not rank at all for. Think again about whether or not these keywords make sense for your target audience, and create a list of keyword targets accordingly. Now you have a list of keywords to target for net new content and for optimization of existing content. One last thing to emphasize is that you, as the SEO, are the brains behind the data. Keyword research is more than just data. You know your site or your brand best, and that knowledge is invaluable in decision-making for SEO. Trust your instincts, measure your results, and adjust accordingly. You'll do great.